How do you invest your time? Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Come invest your time with Unity Power Services. Here's our promise to you. You will join a team that works together selflessly, cares about you, and lives by its core values: safety, respect, and professionalism. Work with a leadership team that will provide you with the logistical support you need to accomplish your everyday and unique tasks. You will earn above average benefits, including paid overtime after 8 hours a day, immediate health care, PTO on day one, and a great work-life balance. We will invest in you with continuing education opportunities and support your individual growth, while being able to work on things that power all aspects of life, and having a little fun along the way by giving back to the community that we serve. Invest in yourself and grow with Unity Power Services. Learn more and join us today.